Ready to handle all this sexiness? Can you? You sure? You better.
Jag träffade Latif i Dubai via Tinder. När jag såg hans bild, då sa jag, oh my god, alltså jag har hittat the one. Jag hade en quote där det stod så här, I want to find the king to my wonderland. Och då sa han, the king is here. Och jag bara, jag har hittat min man.
My name is Latif. I'm the husband to be of Sabrina Castro. I love her so much for so many different reasons. She is very, very, very close to my heart. She takes care of me all the time, and there's a lot of things she does that really touch me, and it's very hard to find in women nowadays.
Latif tycker det är kul att få uppmärksamhet. Han är en playboy, alltså av den gråaste typen.
Before meeting Sabrina, every weekend, like 2-3 times a week, I go to the club. But when you meet Sabrina, it's more quiet now.
Latif hade ju en tjej, men det visste jag inte då. Och han berättade det för mig när jag var där. Det tog ett tag innan han sa så här, det är helt över med henne. Ja, så den perioden var inte så kul faktiskt. Jag och Latif har varit tillsammans i över 2 år. Det har bara varit jag som åkt till honom hela tiden. Men nu ska han äntligen få komma till mig första gången. Jag har fixat en fin ballong där det står Welcome home my love. Så ska jag ta med mig rosor när han kommer. Och så, han måste veta mycket jag älskar honom. Så där står det I love you. Jättefint. Baby!
Story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time.
Why are you crying?
Because you were not going to go.
The story of my life.
Why you give yourself hard time of the roses?
Because you're beautiful, baby.
Thank you, babe.
Jag vet inte vad som skulle hända om han inte skulle vilja bo här. Jag är lite orolig för att om han inte skulle trivas, då betyder det att vi måste flytta. Och jag skulle inte vilja göra det, för jag vill inte lämna min familj.
Wow, my baby, welcome me nicely. Baby, come give me a hug.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
You're home now.
In a relationship, there's good side and bad side. I think the bad side is I love women a lot. I know people are gonna say, oh, Latif, you look a lot. And maybe not all women that are with me accept that.
Need to find a new gym partner.
Sabrina, she knows I'm with her, but she sees I talk a lot with different women. Maybe I flirt with different women.
Worst day today, huh? Yeah, I like next days as well.
I'm a man of the ladies. This is who I am. I'm a man of the ladies. I love women.
Nu när Latif är här så känns det jättebra. Allt är på plats.
I have definitely missed Dubai beyond my explanations. I miss Dubai so much. It's heartbreaking. I miss my friends. I miss my colleagues. I miss my Dubai life. I miss my car. I miss the ladies at the beach, laying down, taking 10. I miss every single thing about Dubai. I have missed that so much.
Do you know which shoe size I have, babe?
No.
I know yours, babe.
Yeah, but I don't know yours.
Yeah, because you don't care.
I believe you were...
Doesn't matter.
In most of my relationship, I had no interest to really know about them a lot. So normally, I don't. She's from the ghetto sometimes. You know?
What do you mean?
She'll sit and she would...
I don't have manners, or I brush my teeth.
She brushed the teeth inside the sitting room, not in the toilet. I don't like things that nasty. For me, I like a woman to be elegant and always classy. Where I come from, woman is woman and man is man. And a woman considered to be a woman with this elegancy, with her classiness, with her being shy, her being soft. This is the way I like a woman to be. She's holding the cards, okay? And she is, and she... Like me, I wanted to comment, but I said we are on. Sabrina is a bit different from when she comes to Dubai. She is different.
Han tror att han känner mig jättebra. Det gör han inte, men han har ju tagit mig ändå. Så jag antar att det kanske funkar.
Should you, like, forgive cheating? Like, if it was, like, happened just only one time?
I can, but it can depend on the situation. When and how, but I can.
I love it.
Oh, you can.
And you?
You can.
I think I can. But if we are in a relationship and I do something, you would...
Bye-bye.
Yeah, exactly.
Bye-bye.
So for you, it's okay, but for me, it's not okay.
Of course, baby.
Anyways, it's not okay to cheat.
Of course.
It's never okay.
Yeah. In general, men in their nature was built in this way to be able to handle more than one woman.
Vi har funderat på om vi vill gifta oss borgerligt eller bara på islamskt sätt. Borgerligt, då vi folk bokförda som gifta. Men om vi gifter oss i islamskt sätt, det är som ett muntligt avtal bara.
I was thinking, babe,
Yeah.
in the Islamic way of get married, the Islamic way, I can still marry another 2 and 3 women. But if I married the Swedish way, it's gonna be hard for me.
It's not allowed. Stop talking like this.
So you want the legal marriage, so no left and right for Latif. No sharing me, no? So what we gonna do when we receive it?
I don't know. Maybe you get married to someone else.
Wow. You want me to?
No, it seems like you have the desire.
Just like a beast, baby, when it comes to me. You get angry directly. What is this? You don't want to share me with anyone.
No.
No?
Marriage is something serious.
Yeah.
I wish to not divorce or anything.
Amen.
No, but seriously talking, man, bro, I got an offer again, a new offer now in Dubai from my previous boss. I got a job offer from Domford, so I need to move earlier.
So what's going on?
So the news is that I might be leaving soon because I have a job offer, a new job offer from my boss in Dubai. He said mid of December is too far away. I need to start work on the 1st of December.
Really?
So I need to be there before that. So I plan to leave on the 18th.
Why on the 18th, babe? Why? Why so early? It's next week, babe. Allting kom som en smäll. Typ att han ska åka inom en vecka, liksom. Jag måste liksom hinna smälta in allt.
But I don't want you to leave already.
Listen, you have to put your emotions on the side. I want you to think smart. I know it's hard for you to do that. Sabrina was in shock first. It feels sad, but I need to show myself capable of this responsibility.
Det känns tråkigt att vara själv utan honom.
Let me down easy. For your love for me is gone. Let me down easy. Since you built to stay around.
It would be so empty without you. I saw his keys and you will not be home. You will not be home.
I love Sabrina very much, so I'm hoping the future will be as I want it to. But God, He have His plan and He knows better. The future is uncertain. Stay strong. Go home, see your mom and dad. Kiss them for me. Okay, love.
Yeah. Don't forget about me, baby.
No, baby, I won't. How would I? Feel it, baby, feel it. Take care.
Baby, baby, don't go. Don't go.
I wish you
I love you, babe.
best
Bye.
of
Yeah.
all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me.
Det känns fel. Han ska vara med mig. Man känner det mer i hjärtat. Så bara dras en bit när vi lämnar varandra.
Det kommer att kännas jätteensamt nu. Verkligen ensamt. Sova själv, sitta själv här och laga mat till mig själv. Jag har ingen att prata med, jag har ingen att berätta min dag för, jag har ingen att dela min choklad med. Det suger. Ovisshet är det värsta som finns. Det verkligen dödar en. Det känns som att det är dags att få ett slut på det.
The Mickey's daddy.
I don't think I'm gonna miss Sweden. I only know I have time I need to spend with my mom and my son. I feel confused. It's what I feel, I think.
I believe what I will miss the most when I'm away from Sabrina is missing her and her how she take care of me. And when she's not there, there's no one to prepare breakfast, lunch or dinner for me anymore.
Hela vårt liv skjuts upp för vi behöver bygga upp vårt förhållande och vårt liv. Och då skjuts även tanke på barn. Allt mellan oss kan ju hända när vi är på distans. Det är hemskt.
Vill du se fortsättningen så kan du klicka här för att komma till hela avsnittet. Glöm inte att prenumerera på vår YouTube-kanal och det gör du via den här knappen. Vi ses! Hej då!